What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to enable nightstand mode for the Apple Watch. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So nightstand mode for the Apple Watch is a great feature where while you're charging the Apple Watch, you can kind of use it as a nightstand clock. Alarms will also go off as well, and you can do all of this while you're charging the watch. So to get started, the first thing that you want to do is go over to your settings. And then from your settings, you want to scroll down using the digital crown, and you want to look for General, which is right below Notifications and above Focus. You want to hit General, and then from there you want to scroll down until you see Nightstand Mode. And then here you'll see that the Apple Watch will tell you is that you can use your Apple Watch as a nightstand clock while it's charging. If you have an alarm set on the Apple Watch, the screen will gently brighten up in the minutes leading up to it, which gives you two options in terms of nightstand mode. One is that it will display the time, and then two is that it will slowly brighten up when you have an alarm set in nightstand mode. So if you enable this, you have these two features on the Apple Watch enabled. So there you have it, everyone, just a quick tip on how to enable nightstand mode for the Apple Watch. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.